Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Petey the cat from Dogman. So first we're going to get started with the head. So in the top, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. For the ears, we're going to draw in a small triangle on the right. And we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left. Now coming in towards the center, we're going to draw in the letter V. Beside this, let's draw in the eyes now. So on the right, we're going to draw in an oval. And then we're going to line this up at the same height, replicating that over on the left. Now on the top, we're going to draw in another oval for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in the eyes black. Now for the nose, in the middle, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Moving down, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in a straight line coming up. For the cheeks now, on both sides, we're going to draw in a small circle on the top. Coming down on a diagonal to the left, let's replicate that. And then we'll do the same as we're moving over on the right. And then now from here for the whiskers, we're just going to draw in a curved line on the top. We'll do the same, moving down in the middle. Again, moving down underneath. Now let's draw on the body. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close this off with a straight line. Starting from the top, we're going to draw in another straight line across, moving down. Let's move in towards the middle now. Moving in. And then again, one more time as we come down. Let's draw in our arms now. So on the inside, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then from that point in the middle, we're going to bring this diagonal line across. Now we're going to move down, coming out. And then from that corner, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards our chin. Now moving underneath, we're going to curve this line down. From that point, curving this back in the center. And then again, one more time, curving this line out. Now on the wrist, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes up. Let's move across. Again, moving over. From the middle, we're going to bring this diagonal line back out. Let's move further up, bringing this line over. Continuing this, leaving an even amount of space as we come in towards the top. Now let's draw on our legs. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down. We're going to move over, replicating that, making it shorter. For the top of the foot, we're going to curve this line up and then back down. And then we're going to bring this straight line across. Now from here, we're going to draw in another straight line. And just like we did on the arms and body, just leaving an even amount of space as we come all the way up towards the top. Let's come over on the right now, drawing a diagonal line that comes out. From that point, bringing this line down. Let's move across, bringing this line over. And then again, bringing that further in, just ending that a little bit shorter. Now from that corner, curving this line down for the foot. And then again, we're just going to close this off with a straight line from left to right. Let's move up, bringing this line across. And then again, just leaving an even amount of space as we come all the way up towards the top. And now lastly, let's draw in our tail. So on the top, we're going to curve this line down, up, and then back down. And then moving underneath, down, up, and then back down again. And then now from here, we're going to close this off with a diagonal line. And now as we come across, again, just drawing those lines, as we come all the way over, following the shape of the tail. And that is it. That's how you draw Petey the cat from Dogman. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.